Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum 5 class. I'm your English teacher Miss Parveen Akhtar, and this is the lecture number 8 of your second semester. I hope you will enjoy this lecture. Students, today we will start chapter number 8, page number 84, and our topic is a flash of light. In Urdu you can say रोशनी की किरण या रोशनी का एक झमका. Okay students, this is very interesting story, but we will discuss about it later. Today we will discuss about the word synonyms. As you know that word synonyms are the words meanings, and in Oxford syllabus we can say words synonyms. So let's start. Words to know. First word is cobbled. Cobbled, the synonym of this word is made up of cobblestones. Made up of cobblestones. Students, cobbled, cobble in Urdu we can say bajri. Distinguish. Distinguish means to be aware of difference between two or more people or things. To be aware of the difference between two or more people or things. Donate. Donate means dena. To give or present something. To give or present something. Next is franc. Students, franc is a French coin. Okay, French coin. Represent. Students, represent means to stand for something. To stand for something. Saw. Saw is also a French coin which is no longer in use. A French coin no longer in use. Students, coin means currency. Next word is trample. Trample means zarab lagana, to tread heavily on something. To tread heavily on something. Now students, we will start the reading of this chapter, page number 84. Let's start reading. It was a cold and Valentine walked briskly down the cobbled street. It was getting dark and he was in a neighborhood he was not very familiar with. He was on his way home and was thinking about the warm room and the glowing fire that would greet him on his arrival. A carriage pulled by horses rattled past as Valentine reached the corner of the street. To avoid being trampled by the horses, he stepped back into the pavement. Before Valentine could cross the road, he heard a rustling sound behind him. He turned and saw in the shadows of a wide doorway a man standing with his hat in his hand. "Please, sir," said the man, "spare some money for a poor blind beggar." Students, blind you can say in this story, blind means andha, beggar means मांगने वाला, fakir. Valentine was a kind, soft-hearted man and had thought a lot about the problems of blind people. He had often wondered how he could be of help to the blind. On hearing this request, he at once removed one of his gloves and putting his hand into his pocket, pulled from it a coin which he put in the blind beggar's hat. Students, that was your lesson, word synonym plus reading, page number 84, and you will learn the word synonym of this chapter and also read this page. If you have any confusion about any word, you can ask without any hesitation. Thank you so much, students. Allah Hafiz.